Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Market Beast edition. Yes, it is your fellow compositor speaking, and today we'll be exploring the S&P 500 once again. We've just recently posted a video saying that may see some downwards pressure, or we're saying that we were speculating that there might be a pullback next week, and this week is the week that we were speculating that it could happen. So we're going to kind of revisit that. So if you're just stopping in, welcome. Consider hitting the subscribe button if this is some interesting information to you. And also my loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel. Thank you for that. So let's go ahead and get into this. I really want to talk about this. So let's see where we are with the market. Just a quick update. Tomorrow's Friday. So let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's February the 25th, 2021, and the previous close of S&P 500 is going to be $3,829.35. It closed down approximately 2.4% for the day. Okay, so it looks like the S&P 500 is sagging off like an old pear. It's not looking ideal. Let me pull up the lines. Okay, that's it. So this is what we can. So here's the video that we posted. We actually posted the video on February the 20th, 2021. Over the weekend. If you see the price is like $3,900, it says, will the markets pull back next week? We are in that week, and the markets are pulling back. So what I'm seeing is this isn't like a video to get people freaked out. So please don't start asking me how should you sell and all this stuff, guys. I don't know. Okay, you have to have a strategy before you hit those buy buttons. But what I'm seeing here is obviously the first level that we were talking about is 38.55 right overhead here. I did not want to see the S&P below that level. Now, this is not set in stone just yet because there's still 3 days and 17 hours. So what are we talking about? Still leading into next week for this candle to close. It is not setting up like it wants to go higher. I could be wrong. Actually, I hope I'm wrong about this, but if it closes below 38.55, then it's likely we have to move this target down a little bit. I don't want to just start throwing out a million levels, but I'm just going to say that the line in the sand, I have to say the MF sand, because I truly want to emphasize how important the S&P 500 does not need to get close to 3511, like 3,500. Please do not get to this level. Man, it's not going to be pretty. All right, so one way or the other, we're just prolonging the inevitable. Some will challenge that. That's fine. But we're prolonging the inevitable. I want to prolong it more, but the longer we wait, the more devastating it's going to be. So I know that sounds kind of selfish to say that I don't want it to happen right now, but I don't know, man. I'm sure like a lot of people aren't really prepared for like a devastating drop in the markets. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of pain and suffering. Let me stop with this doomsday talk, guys. Listen, the price is still near 38.55. It still has the opportunity to close back above 38.55. This is not a doomsday video insinuating that the markets are about to crash. If the markets crash, that's what the markets want to do. Okay, do I think it's going to crash? No, I still don't think it's going to crash. There's still not enough evidence for me to suggest that the market is going to crash. Is it going down? Obviously, yeah, it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Okay, I'm only looking at two levels. I've already gone over this red line, which is currently below. It can close below, but it's not official just yet. And all the way down here, 35.11. Okay, so let's wait and see how this market is going to open. March the 2nd is what we have here. So that's so Monday, there'll be another candle. Okay. These are the 4-day candles. So weird. It says 3-day candles, but there's 4 more days to close. It's so weird. Let's give the price action until March the 2nd. Let's just, I guess, hope at this point that the markets will continue to hold the price at least near the 38.55. Even if it's just low, maybe even dip as low as $3,790. That's fine. But I'd like to see a quick recovery above that line. That would be a beautiful sign to me that the markets are in preparation to move higher. Remember, if you're just stopping in, I have $4,600 to $4,800 price targets for the S&P 500. It's pretty high, actually. Now I'm kind of looking at it. Do I think that's going to happen this year? I think it's possible. But the likelihood, I need to see more price action. I got to give it another week or two. I need to see some wicks below the candles, okay? Below these candles as the 3 days close, okay? If this just kind of continues to see like little wicks below the body, yeah, that means the buyers are stepping in. But if there's nothing and just start seeing these little nasty little red candles just kind of continue to go down, no, not ideal for me, not in my book. So let's give it time. Let's give it a week or two. The only level, hopefully you wrote it down, $3,855. That's the level I'd love to see it just kind of at least stay above for 2 weeks. So my prediction, it could have been summed up in, let's go to sum it up here. S&P 500, I'd like to see it close, not because I want to see it. I'm just in love with price action. No, I know what needs to take place in the story in order for me to understand whether or not buyers are stepping into this market. So when I say what I need to see, it's nothing like, self-fulfilling about what I need to see. It's me understanding the price action, the story behind the price action. So yeah, within the next week or two, 38.55, it needs to hold that level. It really needs to hold it. It really needs to hold. I would love to see that happen. So let's close it out here. That's just kind of a quick update, kind of a lengthy update, saying the same thing over and over, actually. So hopefully this was useful information. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. You have the levels, only looking at 2 levels. So yeah, we're going to cut it out here. Also, before you go, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. So subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. Yes, I think we covered everything. Take care of yourselves out there, guys. Please understand your strategy. Exercise risk management. Execute your strategies. Entry, exit, stop loss. Exit meaning taking profits, and of course stop loss meaning where you're going to get out of the market if it goes too much against you, okay? So please exercise that. These markets are getting volatile out here. So do that, okay? All right, so we're going to talk very soon, guys, and bye for now.